that sizzle. Oh, it's looking fast. Looking fast. Alright. This is when you rush. You gotta put the cheese on. Cheese, right? Cheese. Lord, the heat. What's up YouTube, it's your girl AK, and today we are not doing a sit down video. We are doing a cooking video. It is currently 9:30 a.m. in the morning. I didn't plan this video at all. I just woke up and I was just like, I need to film. Okay, so the question is, what are we cooking? Today we're gonna be making a breakfast burrito. This video isn't planned at all, so I don't know if we have ingredients, but we're about to see. So for this, I think we're only gonna need 1 egg. We have our egg in a bowl here. Oh, I almost forgot, y'all. We need a tortilla. Wow. It's a burrito. Come on now. I don't know about y'all, but I like my food seasoned, so we're gonna have to take a dip into these seasonings real quick. So salt, pepper, most definitely. Need that paprika. You gotta put a little spice into your egg. I gotta push y'all on something. This right here is called Valentina sauce. Y'all go hear about this. Some Valentina sauce. Oh, one more thing. We'll need some mild sauce, and you're gonna see why in a minute. So now we have all the ingredients that we need. Hope y'all can see me. Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Okay. First, we're gonna start with this egg right here. Step one. Step uno. Crack the egg. You're gonna like that, right? Look, we don't want no shells in our egg. We don't want crunchy eggs. Crack. Ooh. Don't look at that. Don't look. We good. No eggshells. No eggshells. We good. All right. I'm gonna throw this away. All right. Step two. Step dos. You gotta bring in the wicks. You gotta. Yeah, psych. You thought I was gonna get copyrighted? No. Y'all better listen to some copyright-free music. Yeah. This is what we looking to now. Now we gotta add the seasoning because we can't have no bland food. We can't. No, we don't do that here. The salt. We're just gonna bring this over so y'all can see this. We're just gonna. It might be a little too much, but it's okay because I'm eating it. Now we gotta add the pepper. You know, not too much pepper. Gonna whisk. Paprika, y'all. It's very, very, very important. Like, you need the paprika. Not too much. You don't want your eggs on fire now. You want a little kick to them, you know. Get this little color right here. Alright, eggs are done and mixed. Now, we need to get our pans ready. Let's go. Y'all see me? I see you.
We see each other.
Alright. Now, I'm getting some pans right now. You stay right there. Alright, got one pan. Set that eye to 4. Okay, so the pan's heating up right now, as y'all see. Now, what we're gonna do, I'm grabbing this up here. We're gonna take a little butter spray. Just like that. So I'm just bringing the ingredients over here. Okay, I brought over all the ingredients. Now I need to get my plate ready. And now I'm just putting the tortilla in the plate. Preparing my plate. Got the tortilla on. We're gonna use this as our little base area. Okay, now we're about to be chopping our little tomatoes. Alright, these tomatoes has been washed and dried. Now we need to cut them up. Just like that. Okay, now the butter's starting to melt, so we're gonna go ahead and put the eggs on the heat. Alright, y'all, so we're back in the kitchen. Ooh, it's a little smoky on this. So here come the eggs. Ooh, y'all hear that sizzle? Ooh, it's looking fast. Alright. This is when you rush. You gotta put the cheese on. Cheese, right? Cheese. Lord, the heat. Alright. We're gonna put in some onions. You hear the sizzle? We're gonna take some spinach, break it up. We're just gonna break it up with our hands. I'm eating it, okay? We'll take a little bit of this tomato sauce. Throw it up in that mix, like that. Oh, it's starting to burn. Oh no, y'all, I got this. Don't doubt me yet. I can save it. Just left it on the heat too long. It's all good. Eggs looking yummy over here. Look at scrumptious. We gotta bring in the tomatoes. Like that. Just mixing. Just mixing. tomatoes in with the egg. Okay, y'all. So now what we're gonna do is Valentina sauce and put it on the tortilla just like this. We'll take this big spoon. We're just gonna like this. Just spread, spread, spread. Y'all see that? Ooh, okay, okay. Okay, I think we're doing pretty good. Y'all doubted me for a second, but we're on the right track. We're gonna go to the plating station. So what you wanna do right here is eggs and put them at the edge of your burrito. Now we're gonna take some more Valentina sauce. Just a little bit on top. Just a little bit. Just like that. Bam, with the shredded cheese like that. Put a little on top. After that, we're gonna put a little bit on the edge. Okay, y'all. Now this is the most important part. We're gonna make sure everything's in line. Take these edges, we're gonna fold.
Oh
fold.
my God.
We're gonna roll, fold, roll. Now this cheese right here is important. We'll make sure we get this cheese right here. Fold and roll. Just like that. Okay, now, this is the next important part. Very important. You won't leave it in for too long. You don't want to burn it out. Set the heat to like 350. Now, while it's toasting, I don't know about y'all, but I clean after I cook. I don't leave my kitchen dirty. So, we about to do some cleaning. We about to wash some dishes. Oh, y'all heard that ding? Okay, it's almost ready, but we still... Now we're about to check on this breakfast burrito, see how it's looking. Looking kind of toasty up in there. Okay, let's get it out. Put it right there. My burrito, I can pick it up. Bam. Alright, y'all, so we got our breakfast burrito here, about to be plated. Ooh, that country actually came out. Y'all heard that? But anyway, oh, hold on. I'm back. So today's juice is brought to you by Arizona. Gonna pour our juice. Y'all can see this. Oh! There we go. It's the good juice right there. Okay, now we got to check the inside. We gotta see how it's looking. Cut it in half. Come on. There we go. There we go. Okay. Oh, I just want y'all to see that. Y'all see that? Yeah. All right. Wait. We good. All right. First bite.
Oh, delicious.
Ooh. It smells. It smells. Juice. The juice slaps, y'all. Okay. So, if I was to rate this meal out of 1 through 10, I'm gonna give myself an 8. I'm gonna give myself an 8. And the reason why, I wanted to put some bacon. I want to fry some bacon and put it in here, but we just didn't have no bacon. But if I had bacon up in here, let me tell you, this would have been a 10 out of 10. 10 stars. 100%. Oh, y'all want to see? Hold on. The burrito was fire right there. That juice is fire too. Okay, YouTube, that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. Do you want to see any more videos like this? Make sure you comment down below. Make sure you like that like button if you enjoyed this video. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe. And if you already subscribed, make sure you hit that bell icon to get notifications every time I post on my channel. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.